The topic we are going to discuss about is carboxylic acids. The subtopics are classification, nomenclature, and physical characteristics of carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acids? Organic compounds containing COOH as a functional group are called carboxylic acids. ऐसे compounds जिनमें COOH functional group पाया जाता है उन्हें हम carboxylic acids कहते हैं. Here R can be any alkyl group or aryl group. Next, let's see how we classify them. Carboxylic acids may be aliphatic or aromatic, depending upon whether COOH is attached to an alkyl group or an aryl group. अगर तो carboxylic group के साथ एक alkyl group attached है, तो they would be aliphatic carboxylic acids. और अगर carboxylic acid group के साथ एक aryl group attached है, यानी phenyl attached है, तो it would be aromatic carboxylic acids. They are further classified on the basis of the number of carboxylic acid groups के उनमें एक carboxylic acid group है, दो है, तीन है या तीन से भी ज्यादा है. So they are further classified as mono, di, tri, poly, as they contain 1, 2, 3 and many carboxylic groups in their molecules. Here are the examples of aliphatic monocarboxylic acids group. Aliphatic है क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक alkyl group attached है और monocarboxylic क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक hydroxyl group है. These are acetic acids and formic acid. Next are the aliphatic dicarboxylic acids. ये वो acids हैं जिनमें दो carboxylic groups present हैं, oxalic acid and malonic acid, succinic acid and adipic acid. Next we have the aromatic carboxylic acids जिनमें एक benzene ring present होगी और साथ में carboxylic acid present होगा, that is benzoic acid and phthalic acid. Phthalic acid is a dicarboxylic acid. Let's discuss a question. Which one is a carboxylic acid? And the options are carbolic acid, picric acid, carbonic acid or palmitic acid. The correct option is palmitic acid क्योंकि carbolic acid and carbonic acid ये phenol और phenyl group से related है. Picric acid भी एक aromatic acid है. Next about nomenclature, aliphatic monocarboxylic acids को commonly fatty acids कहते हैं क्योंकि जो high members हैं like palmitic acid और stearic acid उन्हें हम fats या oils की hydrolysis से obtain करते हैं. Let's discuss first the common names. Common names were derived from the source from which they are isolated. Like formic acid को पहले ons से isolate किया गया था. That's why formic जो होता है ons के लिए use होता है. Acetic acid को सबसे पहले vinegar से isolate किया गया था. So acid is used for the vinegar. Butyric acid named from the butyrum जिसका मतलब है butter. Next are the IUPAC names. Standard IUPAC names of saturated monocarboxylic acids are alkanoic acids. Alkane में जो E है उसको drop करके आप oic add कर देते हैं. And जो counting है वो हम हमेशा carboxylic acid का जो carbon होता है उससे start करते हैं. वो carbon जैसे 1 and then the following series continue. So here are a few examples: formic acid, acetic acid, propanoic acid, butyric acid and isobutyric acid क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक side chain है. Formic acid का जो IUPAC negated methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid and 2-methyl propanoic acid. Now let's see what are their physical characteristics. Under this heading, we are going to study about smell, solubility, boiling point and melting point. So first about smell. The first three aliphatic acids, formic acid, acetic acid और propanoic acid ये colorless liquids हैं और इनकी pungent smell होती है, जबकि जो next three acids हैं इसे series के colorless liquids हैं लेकिन उनकी जो smell है that is somewhat unpleasant. Next is solubility. Among the aliphatic acids, the first four members हैं वो water soluble हैं क्योंकि hydrogen bonding है. So किसी भी कंपाउंड की solubility के लिए जरूरी है कि वो वाटर के साथ बॉन्ड बना रहा हो. तो यहाँ पे जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स में H होता है वो वाटर में मौजूद O के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना लेता है. The next property is of boiling point. Carboxylic acids के boiling point relatively high होते हैं क्योंकि they possess intermolecular hydrogen bonding. They usually exist as dimers. Formic acid boils at 100 degrees Celsius, acetic acid at 118 degrees Celsius, जबकि hexanoic acid at 141 degrees Celsius. So usually जो carboxylic acids होते हैं वो एक डायमर के तौर पर एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, इनमें आपस में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होती है. Next is the melting point. Melting point of carboxylic acid increase irregularly with increase in the molecular mass. Usually जो carboxylic acids even number of carbon atoms contain करते हैं उनके melting point ज़्यादा होते हैं as compared to those जिनमें odd number of carboxylic acids हैं. Like 3 carbon has -22 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जबकि 4C में -6 डिग्री सेल्सियस है और 5C is -36 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो इवन में जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स हैं वो ज्यादा हैं एज कम्पेयर के जो ऑड नंबर्स में उनमें चाहे कार्बन एटम ज्यादा है लेकिन चूंकि वो ऑड नंबर्स हैं इसलिए उनके जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स हैं वो कम है. So let's discuss a question. Organic acids which cannot be obtained by the hydrolysis of fats are succinic acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, propanoic acid, and the option is succinic acid. It's a dicarboxylic acid. So this was all about the nomenclature and properties of carboxylic acids. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.